Quick tutorial, or not in a tutorial, quick little video. This is Boba Fett. I'm in Gravity Sketch, and I want to show you how amazing this program is. I know I keep showing you guys, but my page might be one of those pages for like people who do Gravity Sketch, Blender, Unity, and things like that, because I'm really interested in it. So here I am in Gravity Sketch with Boba Fett. I'm gonna highlight it with my right hand. Highlight it. Middle finger, bottom trigger. Now that I'm holding it with the bottom trigger in my left hand, you're gonna see the blue, you're gonna see the purple. Click the blue because it's gonna open up vertices. Now that the vertices are open, let's make this guy a little bit bigger so we can see this clear. Now, here comes super manipulation. Put these vertices back. I'm not gonna really try anything, but I'm just gonna show you guys. I can probably make this guy look like he has a beak right now. Make him look like he has a crown. Somewhat. I'm not, like I said, I'm not trying. I'm just quickly showing you guys how crazy this is. So, yeah, I think I pulled the vertice the wrong way. Take your time with doing this if you want it to look good. But I ain't taking my time right now. I don't care about it looking good. It's about me showing you guys. All right, there you go. Quick manipulation of Boba Fett. Turned him to like the Bird King. Now, watch. Same thing. Grab the vertices. But this will become the future. It is right now, present time, the next step in graphic design, 3D modeling. But in the future, this will be the way. This is the way. See, got some stuff in his hand there. That's I'm not even gonna get into that. But as you can see, this character is pretty much flat and hollow. I can make him thicker if I want, but he's pretty much flat and hollow. And it's broken into little pieces, so I can basically rip him completely apart, do whatever I want after. Right? Add what I want in there, change everything around, use him as a blueprint, and then I can take this into Blender or a program called Actor Rig or Blender, either. And sorry about that. Yeah, so I can bring it to Blender, and then I can rig the character, basically making his joints move and animate him so he can move around. And then if you want to get crazy, you can make these characters and then put them into virtual reality world as avatars for people and sell them. People are making businesses out of this, making a good amount of money. So get into it while it's still popping. Get into it. Don't get left behind if you're interested in this kind of stuff. All right. Let me just do a quick spin around of Boba Fett. And okay, that's it. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Peace.